In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix redirected you too many times on Cloudflare. That error usually points to a redirect loop, most often caused by SSL settings or HTTPS rules that are fighting each other. We'll fix it directly in your Cloudflare dashboard by checking SSL TLS, enabling the right HTTPS options, and then clearing cache so changes take effect right away. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard and head to the domains area. Pick the domain that's showing the error so we're working on the right site. Next, open the SSL TLS section and go to the Overview tab. Here, set the SSL TLS encryption mode to full. This is important. Flexible mode often causes loops because Cloudflare talks to your origin over HTTP, while your site or app might be forcing HTTPS, bouncing the request back and forth. Full ensures Cloudflare connects to your server over HTTPS, which prevents that loop. If you know you have a valid certificate on your origin, full strict is even better, but full is the minimum you want to stop redirect chains in most cases. Then switch to the Edge Certificates tab. Turn on Always Use HTTPS. This tells Cloudflare to automatically redirect all visitors to the secure version of your site, so you don't have to maintain multiple rules or worry about mixed behaviors across pages. Right below that, enable automatic HTTPS rewrites. This helps clean up old HTTP links to assets by rewriting them to HTTPS on the fly, reducing mixed content warnings and making the transition to HTTPS smoother. With the SSL and HTTPS rules corrected, let's refresh Cloudflare's Edge cache so visitors see the updated behavior immediately. Go to the caching section, then open Configuration. Choose Custom Purge, select Purge Everything, and confirm when asked. Purging everything does not delete your site. It simply clears cached versions at Cloudflare's Edge, so new requests fetch fresh content from your server with the new SSL settings in place. You might notice the first load after a purge is slightly slower, which is normal as the cache repopulates. At this point, test your site in a new browser window or a private incognito session to avoid any stale cookies contributing to the loop. If the page loads over HTTPS without bouncing around, you're good to go. To recap, we selected the correct domain, set SSL TLS to full, enabled always use HTTPS and automatic HTTPS rewrites, and purged the cache to apply changes immediately. These adjustments typically resolve the redirected you too many times error caused by conflicting HTTP to HTTPS behavior.